Mark 147 confirmed, elevation check positive.
In the Nevada desert, engineers mark the path for humanity's fastest ground transportation system.
Deviation 0.03 meters, within tolerance.
Every millimeter matters when you're building a tube for near supersonic travel.
All units, begin phase 1 excavation, commence on my mark.
50,000 cubic meters of earth must be moved before a single tube segment arrives.
Clear, depth 2.1 meters.
The trench must reach 4 meters deep to house the steel pylon foundation network.
Clear, depth 2.1 meters.
The trench must reach 4 meters deep to house the steel pylon foundation network.
Every hour, 40 trucks move 3,000 tons of earth away from the corridor.
Load 47 inbound, spoil area 2.
The excavated material forms berms that will shield nearby ecosystems from construction noise.
Within 3 weeks, the 6-mile trench reaches its target depth across the entire route.
Section Delta verified.
Section Delta verified. Now the foundation pylons arrive.
These foundation pylons were forged in Utah, each one capable of supporting 200 tons of tube and magnetic levitation systems.
Hold east, walk west.
Load stable, proceeding to drop zone.
Each pylon must be positioned within 2 millimeters of its design coordinates. 2 centimeters north, 1 centimeter, holding, perfect.
Mark, position locked.
16 anchor bolts secure each pylon, torque to 800 foot-pounds.
Bolt position 3 verified.
316 pylons march across the desert at 20-meter intervals.
Installation runs 24 hours. Night crews work under lights as bright as day.
Steady as she goes.
By sunrise, a mile of foundation pylon stands ready for concrete encasement.
More flow section 7.
The concrete cure time is 72 hours before tube sections can be mounted.
Foundation 47, strength 4,200 psi, approved.
All sections cleared for tube delivery. Superload 1 approaching Site Alpha.
Ground crew, prepare.
Each tube segment traveled from the manufacturing facility.
Stand by for lift. 3, 2, 1. Cables take tension.
Lifting a 30-meter tube requires 2 cranes working in perfect synchronization.
The tube floats through the air toward its permanent home, a dance of physics and precision.
Down 2 millimeters west side. Contact in 3, 2, 1.
Rubber isolators dampen vibration while allowing thermal expansion.
Bracket 12 secured. 8 of 8 verified. Section 1 complete. Release crane tension.
Crane 1 in position 2, crane 2 30 seconds out.
Clear on south side.
Clear on side.
The choreography repeats, section after.
Gap at 12 o'clock, 24.8 millimeters. Gap at 6 o'clock, 25.1 millimeters within spec. Connection team ready.
Bolt 7, position 3 o'clock complete. Connection 1 to 2 sealed. Pressure test passed.
These permanent magnets never need power, and they provide passive levitation and guidance. All magnetic tools secure before approaching rail surfaces.
Rail mounting sequence beginning. Position markers verified.
Forward pedestal high by 1.5 millimeters, adding shim.
Rail straightness tolerance is 0.2 of a millimeter across the entire 6-kilometer course.
Joint 47 complete, logging timestamp.
493 rail sections combine into a continuous magnetic highway.
With magnetic rails complete, attention turns to the linear motor system that will accelerate pods to supersonic speeds.
Coil S247, resistance 0.34 ohms, phase balance confirmed.
Bracket aligned, slide stator home.
660 stators line the tube, synchronized to create a traveling magnetic field.
Stator S47 energized, all tests passed.
Every stator must be electrically verified before the system comes alive for first power on testing.
This transformer feeds 25 megawatts, enough power to accelerate pods to 700 miles per hour every 90 seconds.
Medium voltage cables branch from the substation.
First phase cable pulled, 2 to go.
Unit 12, breaker 2000 AT, relay distribution system. The power distribution system.
Inside this fortress, turbomolecular pumps evacuate the tube to 1,000th of atmospheric pressure.
Pump 3 at operating vacuum, stable at .001 torr.
Tube vacuum achieved. 0.0015 torr average. System holding steady.
Bravo. Frame section 3 complete. Proceeding to skin installation.
Pod systems nominal during pump down.
Levitation confirmed. All systems ready for propulsion test.
We are go for first propulsion test, enabling linear motor control.
The pod accelerates smoothly. No wheels, no friction. Just magnetic forces pushing against invisible rails.
Acceleration phase nominal. Proceeding to
700 miles per hour achieved. Test objective met.
700 miles per hour, faster than commercial aircraft, smoother than a luxury sedan.
Pod systems all nominal, ride quality exceptional, smoother than I expected at this speed.
Initiating deceleration sequence. Stand by for 0.5 G braking.
From 700 miles per hour to 0 in just 4 kilometers. Energy recovered, systems proven, future validated.
Outstanding work, everyone. Test objectives achieved. All systems performed nominally.
You've proven what everyone said was impossible.
Levitation gap variance was 0.8 millimeters.
Can we improve stator efficiency in sectors 12 through 18?
Next test run scheduled in 2 weeks.
Through 23 test runs over 12 weeks, every system is refined, validated, and proven ready for the ultimate test, human passengers.
Safety systems meet all requirements for experimental passenger operations.
These 20 volunteers become history's first Hyperloop passengers. Pioneers, willing to trust engineering.
Airlock evacuation beginning. As the airlock evacuates and the tube opens, 20 heartbeats accelerate.
T-minus 60 seconds. Propulsion, go.
Levitation, go. Life support,
Go!
We are go for launch.
Acceleration is gentle.
At 700 miles per hour, passengers sip water, check emails, and chat casually. Proof that tomorrow's transportation is ready today.
30 seconds to arrival. Welcome to the future of travel.
We just traveled 700 miles per hour, and I feel like I took a calm elevator ride.
Today, 20 people became the first humans to travel by Hyperloop at 700 miles per hour. I'm pleased to report.
From test track to transportation network, the Hyperloop scales from proof of concept to global infrastructure.
All in favor of proceeding with construction signify by IA.
IA!
350 miles, 14 stations,
7 work zones, 1 mission boot. Transform California's transportation infrastructure while maintaining perfect coordination across 350 miles.
Construction advances like a wave.
Excavation, foundation, pylons, tubes,
Industrial choreography at its finest. 29,000 pylons rising from California soil, each one positioned with surgical precision.
Twin tubes rise across California. 1,800 kilometers of precision-engineered steel, creating the highway of the future. Miles of magnetic rail, thousands of stator coils, millions of components ready. Every element installed with 250 megawatts of electrical infrastructure, powered partially by California sunshine, ready to propel pods at 700 miles per hour. Tire system at target vacuum, stable and holding. 25 million cubic meters of near-perfect vacuum, monitored by thousands of sensors.
Structural integrity confirmed. Proceeding to systems check.
42 pods, each one a marvel of aerospace.
Make sure the HVAC connections on level 2 are secured by tonight.
Attention passengers, the Hyperloop to San Francisco is now arriving at platform 4. From this room, artificial intelligence and human expertise unite, managing 42 pods.
Based on our comprehensive inspection, we are satisfied this system meets all federal safety requirements. We are issuing the operational certification.
Operating 8, I'm thrilled to be back. I'm thrilled to announce commercial Hyperloop service.
Hyperloop Flight 001 to San Francisco, now boarding at Gate 1.
History arrives on ordinary feet. Commuters, family, all passengers seated, cabin secure.
Hyperloop Flight 001, you are cleared for departure. Welcome to the future of travel.
Flight 001, linear motor engaging, prepare for acceleration.
Acceleration is exactly as expected. Smooth, controlled, and comfortable.
Flight 001, 18 minutes and achieved at last schedule.
from Mission Controlligence and human
We are beginning our descent into San Francisco. We'll be on the ground in 4 minutes.
It's slowing down. Flawless execution.
Within 1 week, 15,000 passengers experience the future daily.
We're not just building transportation systems, we're reorganizing human geography. From one route.
Mommy, did you really go to Los Angeles today?
Yes, sweetie, and I'll be here for breakfast tomorrow too.
And this is how modern engineering built the 700-mile-per-hour transportation system from vision to reality.